Hey guys, subscribe to the Everything channel and hit the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Subscribe. Hey, what's up guys, this is Geek Out Everything and today we're gonna be unboxing and having a quick look at this Boatstone 1000. And guys, Boatstone 1000 is I think so it's a pretty popular Bluetooth speaker, but some of the people don't buy it because of its size. It's really big and heavy, but yeah, in person it doesn't look that much big or heavy. I think it's a pretty good size if you want a really good sound quality for doing some parties and all, and for that purpose I also bought it because the sound quality is really good, and in terms of the loudness also it is really good. I'm using it I think from past 3 months, and it is doing a really good job for me. And these are some of the ports. It's a micro USB port and aux port to charge it up, and aux input. And guys, this is the 5-inch phone, by which you will get an idea how big it is. And as you can see, it is, I don't know, but according to your personal preference you can judge it, but I think it's not that much big as well. And these are the buttons that we have: play, pause, and volume up, volume down, and a mode. And play and pause button also used to turn this device on. So if you hold it up for a second, then it will turn on. As you can see, let me just press it and a blue light comes. As you can see, the blue light is blinking, it means it has turned on. And if you go to your phone and turn on the Bluetooth, then as you can see, you'll find a Boatstone 1000 named Bluetooth device. And in terms of the sound quality, I have to say the sound quality is really good. Yeah, it's not the best in the world, but yeah, for the price you're paying, it's really good. The bass is really good. I have to say the bass is overwhelming, but it's not that much high as well. It just I would say the bass is really good. And in terms of the vocals are also really good, and the mids are actually average, but in terms of the bass and the vocals is really good. And as you can see, we have two speakers, so because of that these are really big speakers, and because of it the sound quality is really good. And guys, this is the best Bluetooth speaker that you can buy to do some parties and some functions with it, because of its size and the sound quality. The loudness is really high, I have to say. You can just do a little party with it. This is what the reason I also bought it. So guys, this is what it is. And guys, I'll have the link in the description below. If you want to check this one out, just go to the link and buy it from my link if you want to help the channel out. And guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you're disliking, what to do. But if you like, then get subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really helpful if you do that. And goodbye, see you later.